Habits are a dopamine-driven feedback loop. Every behavior that is highly habit-forming, such as taking drugs, eating junk food, browsing social media, playing video games, is associated with higher levels of dopamine. The same can be said for our most basic habitual behaviors like eating food, drinking water, and interacting socially. For years, scientists assumed dopamine was all about pleasure. But now we know that dopamine plays a crucial role or a central role in many neurological processes, including motivation, learning and memory, punishment and aversion, and voluntary movement. When it comes to habits, the key takeaway is this: dopamine is released not only when you experience pleasure but also when you anticipate it. Gambling addicts have a dopamine spike right before they place a bet, not after they win. Cocaine addicts get a surge of dopamine when they see the powder, not after they take it. Whenever you predict that an opportunity will be rewarding, your levels of dopamine spike in anticipation. And whenever dopamine rises, so does your motivation to act. It is the anticipation of a reward, not the fulfillment of it, and that gets us to take action. Interestingly, the reward system that is activated in the brain when you receive a reward is the same system that is activated when you anticipate a reward. This is one reason the anticipation of an experience can often feel better than the attainment of it, such as a child thinking about Christmas morning can be better than opening the gift. As an adult, daydreaming about an upcoming vacation can be more enjoyable than actually being on vacation. Scientists refer to this as the difference between wanting and liking. Your brain has far more neural circuitry allocated for wanting rewards than for liking them. Wanting centers in the brain are large: the brain stem, the amygdala, the ventral tegmental area, the nucleus accumbens, and portions of the prefrontal cortex. By comparison, the liking centers of the brain are much smaller. They are often referred as hedonic hot spots and are distributed like tiny islands throughout the brain. For instance, researchers have found that 100% of the nucleus accumbens is activated during wanting. Meanwhile, only 10% of the structure is activated during liking. The fact that the brain allocates so much precious space to the regions responsible for craving and desire provides further evidence of the crucial role these processes play. The desire is the engine that drives behavior. Every action is taken because of the anticipation that precedes it. It is the craving that leads to response. So we need to make our habits attractive because it is the expectation of a rewarding experience that motivates us to act in the first place.